Hey everyone, welcome back to Glammy Gal, and today's video is going to be on this eye makeup look right here. This is my second video in the Navratri Durga Puja makeup series. This was ideally supposed to be the first look, but I got around editing the other video. So yeah, in this video I'm just going to show you the eye makeup. I'm not doing the base makeup in this one. I'm going to switch things up in all these 9 videos. Here's the first look. Do check out this video if you like what you're seeing, and now let's just get started with this one. So here I'm taking Colourpop Banging Brunette. I think that is what this one is called. I think so. Yeah, I'm just going to take this eyebrow pomade and I'm going to fill my eyebrows in using a slanted angle brush. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about right now. So I'm just basically filling in my eyebrows here, and as I go towards the front portion of my eyes, I just tilt the brush, and yeah, I'm just going to fill that in. And moving on to the eye makeup, I'm using this yellowish eyeshadow as my transition shade, and then I'm to go in with this plummy brown kind of an eyeshadow. These are all Coastal Scents Hot Pots, by the way. So yeah, I'm going to take that. If you don't have access to these, you can buy Pack Cosmetics eyeshadow, single eyeshadows, or else Makeup Revolution has great eyeshadow palettes that you can buy from Amazon. I think, yeah, Amazon, Flipkart, they both stock them. So I'm going to apply them on the inner and outermost corner, and then I'm going to very lightly blend them, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply that dark brown eyeshadow again where I just placed the plum eyeshadow. This is also a matte brown eyeshadow. So I'm just going to place that on the inner and outermost corner, and again I'm using the same brush. I haven't changed the brush, and whatever is left, like very slightly, I'm just going to I'm taking a clean brush and I'm very lightly feathering it out onto the crease. And now I'm taking this golden kind of an eyeshadow. This one from the Coastal Scents palette again. This is, I think, 18 karat gold. I think this is what it is called. And I've just wet the brush using the Color Bar Fixing Spray. And I'm just going to apply that on the center part of the lids, creating a halo effect. And now I'm taking the transition shade brush again. I'm taking the same shade and I'm just going to merge both the eyeshadows, and then I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the brown eyeshadow one more time. I'm using like a smaller pencil brush, picking up some of the brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to deepen everything. Now I'm just going to take a highlighter. This one is, I think, the Balm Mary Luminizer, and over that I just went one more time with the golden eyeshadow very lightly. I just did that, and now I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line. I'm taking the yellowish eyeshadow on the same brush, and then on a smaller brush I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that on the inner and outer corner, leaving the center part of the lower lash line empty, because I'm going in with the golden eyeshadow one more time on the center part of the lower lash line, just replicating whatever I did on the top lash line. Just going to deepen up everything, just going to match it with the other eye basically. And if you have trouble creating like this slanted shape, you can use a tape also to do that. I'm taking the Balm Mary Luminizer and I'm again going to place that on the innermost corner, and again I do apply a little bit of that golden eyeshadow again. And now we are going to move on to mascara and these single eyelashes. The reason I'm using the single eyelashes is because, if you're actually doing Garba and dancing, all of that, if at all because of the sweat and heat, anything pops off, it is going to be one single lash or anything like that. If you apply like one full lash and if that comes off, you have to completely take it off, whereas it doesn't bother that much if one single eyelash pops off. Now I'm just going to apply a very thin black eyeliner, and I'm using the Inglot gel eyeliner. You can use the Maybelline gel eyeliner or any other waterproof eyeliner also if you like that. I do prefer gel eyeliner. I have very watery eyelids, so inner corner the liner doesn't stay. That is why I prefer gel eyeliner. Now I'm just I'm just applying the single false eyelashes, and these look pretty natural also. So if you're not much into false eyelashes and you feel they are difficult to apply, these are easier to apply as well. I'm taking Cherry Boom Boom from Bourjois. It's their lip liner and the color is just very beautiful. I'm using a red lipstick. You can choose anything of your liking. This is such a neutral look. You can pair any kind of lipstick with any color of lipstick with this. I'm taking Stila Stay All Day in Fiery. I love this lipstick. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you all like it, and do check out the other videos in this series. And if you have any requests or any particular color combination in mind, do let me know. And before going, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you.